Hello guys, I will show you how to download Counter-Strike Source for PC with no virus, no torrent, or with installer, no RAR. Mm, First, I will show you the link. Here's the link. Copy it now to download the file. Wait for it. So after that, I will show you how to download it real. Open up your browser here. Mega upload and copy this download file. Wait for it. Um, Wait for 45 seconds for free download or regular download. But if you have a premium download, much better for fast and regular and secure download and no waiting. But if your only needs regular download, wait for it. Like me, we're waiting. So please, faster, mega upload. This Counter-Strike Source is a nice game, like with Counter-Strike with highly graphics, like Chiri San Andreas, with that graphics, nice one. So go click this now, regular download. So let's click. Wait. After that, click the save file. Reading it. So after download, it will look like this. Open it and wait for it to directly the installer. Here, see, this is Counter-Strike Source with big installer, with real installer and no buy or product key. This is it. Okay, and click file you want. Space required 1.gig. After that, click the install. So I don't need to install this because I installed it already. So this is the game you like. So please sub, rate 5/5 and comment good comments. See ya.